What's happening? Dustin here with Dustin's Customs, and like I said, I ordered a TIG welder. I was gonna do an unboxing. I'm just gonna go over what it came with, and I'm gonna show you my first time TIG welding ever in my entire life. I'm gonna need a lot of practice, that's for sure. It's a lot different than MIG welding, but only way to learn is seat time, right? So I'm gonna turn you around. We're gonna take a look at this TIG welder and go over some features and the things that it came with, and go over the price, and then I'm gonna try to weld with it. So let's take a look. Here is the TIG welder itself. We have downslope, post flow, no hertz, 1 hertz or 50 hertz, 2T or 4T, so pedal or trigger. We got AC/DC, so it does do aluminum, stainless, mild steel, whatever. High frequency start, lifts TIG start, which where you would set the tungsten down and like scratch start. Stick, it does up to 250 AC frequency, and it has a cleaning mode up to 90% plus. Right now I got it around 15% cleaning, 120 hertz, about 3 on the downslope, and about 4 on the post flow. Right here we have our positive, or we have our tungsten lead on negative. We have our ground lead on positive. This is the Everlast 185, and it costs around $850, somewhere around there. Right now I got a small bottle. I do not have a welding cart. I do need to get a welding cart. But I had this little cart that I've always used for my welder, and it works pretty good. I chopped a hole in it, stuck my tank in there. The tank right there was $200 to start new. I only had oxygen and a small acetylene. I didn't have argon tank, so I had to buy an argon tank. $200 for that tank, but it's $35 to fill it after that with air gas. The TIG torch came with this. I think it's a 180 or 200 amp TIG torch. Came with a pretty nice sleeve on it. The ground's pretty solid. It came with this consumable package right here, and a number 9, number 5, and a number 7. That's if you want to run a small tungsten. These are the sleeves that would hold the tungstens right there. It came with this instruction manual. It's in a pretty nice carry case, actually. And it also came with, sorry, I put it away on my shelf. It came with this stick welding lead. That's pretty heavy duty, actually. And it also came with this. Right now I have the purge set about 15 to 20 on that. So I'm going to take this piece of aluminum right here, and I'm going to take my little piece of filler rod, and I'm going to go ahead and try to TIG weld some. I'm not that good. So all this I'm trying to learn, that way I can build better turbo kits. I can fab more, maybe get into doing some cage work. Definitely building the turbo for my LS swap. Also, I got another thing I'm going to show you real quick. This is something I got for the Mustang. Is I got those wide boys right there, 315. Those are Cobra wheels. So 315 and 275 right there. So they're in like mint condition, pretty mint. So that's the welder. That's my little welding cart. I need to get a welding table. I need to clean my shop. My shop is a disaster. My daughter's race car's torn apart. Her bird cage, if anybody's ever worked on a bird cage, I got sent the wrong bearing for my daughter's little sprint car, whatever they call them, quarter midget. And let's go ahead and get set up, and I'm going to TIG weld. Let's see how this turns out. Oh, this thing moved on me. Try again. That one was pretty sloppy. Sloppy, sloppy, sloppy. Try it again. I am definitely not a professional. I have been practicing, as you can see. I'm trying to do this on a clean spot. Oh, forgot the gas flow. So this one right here is my better one. That one, the piece actually moved on me, but so there's one weld. Not bad for my first time ever TIG welding. Here's some other times burning the tungsten, starting to get the hang of it. Got the hang of it, but pulled away too fast. Didn't let that post flow, so I got that pock right there. Not getting the tungsten at the right angle is right there. There's starting to figure it out. Yet again, pulled away. There's the weld we just did. There was trying to figure it out, burning crap up. I'm gonna go ahead and grab another wire. I'm gonna try to lay another bead down right there, get some practice in. So I am getting better. I definitely am slowly getting better. I gotta figure out not how to electrocute myself. I'm gonna go ahead and roll this over and finish this little bit of feeler rod I have out, but that one's not so bad. I'm getting better. All that's mistakes. That's the process of learning for me. I mean, but this one right here, I mean, I think I'm starting to figure it out. All right, everybody. I scratched my lens quite a bit. I kept hitting it with the filler rod. I am not a TIG welder. I can definitely tell with some practice, I could probably build something. Pretty cool machine. It works good. That pulse setting is probably why I could weld at all. That definitely helped. I had it on the 1 hertz thing, not the 50 hertz. And take another close look at these welds, and then I'm gonna get out of here. It's a rainy day, so I'm calling for it's time for a movie. You hear the thunder. Got my air conditioner on. This welder's making a bunch of noise. So if the audio quality is not that great on this video, it's because there's just so much noise going on. I'm sorry about that. So this was the last weld I made, and it's not too terrible. Those right there, all that's not getting the right angle. Right there, dipping my tungsten. This tungsten's probably garbage. Trying to stick my filler rod in before the metal got hot. Go ahead and look at some more of this. Right there, that bead didn't look so bad. All those little glue beads right there, those little glops, that is from sticking my filler rod in before the metal got hot. So that was me rushing things. Grind all this off and I'll try again. That one didn't turn out too terrible right there. So in all reality, it's a great little machine. Number 7 cup on the TIG torch, and it really did well, actually. I had it on, it's at like a second of post flow, 2 seconds of post flow. Burn up my tungsten. Definitely got to sharpen this tungsten down and and restart. Definitely need some practice, get some aluminum coupons. I got some steel filler rod coming in the mail. It should be here soon. I'll try out steel. And this little Everlast 185, I was running on 120. I have a 220 right there, but I got to wire in a plug for it. So I also have 220. There's a plug, 220 there. Just got to wire in the plug, and then we'll hook this thing up to 220. I'll be able to run it up to its 185 amps that it can go to. I gotta read some. I don't know why it was shocking me. I've had welders shock me in the past. Gonna make sure my building's properly grounded, all that good stuff. It should be. But hopefully we can start welding some better turbo kits for these Mustangs back here. Pretty cool. But I'm Dustin. This is Dustin's Customs, and hopefully soon we get better customs. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Went from MIA to LA on